Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring throw distance and noting lens offset, because size depends on distance and optics. Once measured, set the projector to its native resolution and the correct ratio. This preserves sharpness when you enlarge. Move the projector forward gradually to enlarge the image, while keeping tilt minimal to avoid keystone. Make sure to record the model and measurements. This helps with later calculations and lens or zoom limits. Once the projector is closer, widen the optical zoom, or if you have one, install a short throw lens to gain size without sacrificing light. Adjust focus and iris, open slightly for max brightness, then fine-tune for edge sharpness using a grid test pattern. Use lens shift to center the image. This avoids digital keystone that reduces resolution. Make sure to recheck focus after each zoom or shift, because changes alter the focal plane and perceived sharpness. You finish by calibrating contrast, color temperature, and sharpness so the larger image remains clear and natural. Control ambient light to increase perceived size and contrast. Darker room equals bigger-looking image. If the image becomes soft, check distance, clean the lens, and consider lamp life or firmware updates. These often explain loss of brightness or focus. For persistent keystone, prioritize physical repositioning or lens shift. Use digital correction only as a last resort because it reduces resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.